Hey guys, I'm going to be talking about traversing an array using recursion. So normally I would traverse an array using a for loop, but I'm trying to learn recursion, so I'm going to be traversing it today with recursion. So let's start with an array, ones, that has 1, 2, 3 inside of it, and I've defined a function, add 1, with an array passed in. So let's get started on this. So first of all, let's create a new array. And instead of using a for loop, we are going to see if that array is not empty. Next, we're going to be pushing the first element of that array into the array, the new array, adding just one number. Keep it simple. Next, we are going to push the function called on itself again with the array dot slice 1, which means we're going to start at the index 1, second element of the array, onward. So we're going to take a slice of 1s, which is 2 and 3, so we're passing in essentially 2 and 3 into add 1 again. So it's going to pass down in. Yes, it is longer than 0, and it's going to take that first element, add 1 to it, and push that to our new array, and then we're going to do the same thing again. So array.slice with the second element of the 2, 3 array will be just one element, 3. So we're going to pass that into add 1 array again, and that is going to push 3 plus 1 into our new array. But let's take a look, and of course we need to return new array. Let's just console log that out. Okay, and of course we get 2, 3, and 4, which is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. To take a look at what is really going on behind the scenes here, let's take a look at the debugger inside Chrome DevTools. So we've stopped here at the first call, so let's step through this. So you see now that array is passed in right here, and it is 1, 2, and 3. We're going to take that first element. New array has been defined as an empty array. We are passing in 1 plus 1, which is 2, into new array. And then that is going to be calling itself again on the next element. So you see here we have 2 and 3 as the next call of that array, on that array. And new array is going to be empty again because it's a new iteration. So then we are going to be pushing 2, which is the first element of this new array, 2, 3, into that new array. So once again, now 2 plus 1 is 3. We are passing in that 1 to that array, calling it again. So we are now, as you can see, we're on the third call of add 1 on the call stack there. So we're going to be pushing that first element, which is, it's only one element anyway, so we're pushing 3 plus 1 into our new array. Sorry, scroll down here a little bit. And then now what's going to happen is, since we're taking a slice of an array with just one element in it, that slice is an empty array. So an empty array is not going to pass this if statement. Thus, we're not going to do anything. So we're just going to return new array, which is empty. So we're going to return an empty array into the next function that is on the call stack, next function down, which is add 1 the third time. So we have returned 4, or we have returned an empty array, and we have spread it upon new array. And so we are inside that next. Now we are going to be passing an array, and we are going to be returning that 4. So as you can see, as we pass down through all of the calls, we are now at the last iteration, and it's just going to return 2, 3, and 4. And there we go. Thanks for watching.